How do you prepare for long-term packing?
You don't even know, do you?
I have not a clue about packing. That is her department. I'm going to turn it over to her.
I am the backpacker or the packer wherever we're going.
She's a packer.
So you got to consider where you're going, how long you're going to be there. The outfits, it's best that you try to get dry fit outfits. Number one, they're lightweight.
Yes.
They can be worn in any weather. If it's cold, we advise that you get some underlayers.
Merino wool.
Merino
I want to give
wool.
a plug for merino wool. Really, really good.
2 pair of shoes is really the most you need. You travel with a pair,
two.
and you have another pair. So don't pack to like impress other people. Nobody's looking at you when you're on vacation. It's basically you and the significant one that you're with. So pack things that are comfortable, light. You have one travel outfit, one that you can wear there and also travel back in the same outfit. And you pack things like I would have 2 pair of pants and maybe 5 shirts to go with those. So you can change out the outfits over and over.
I want to let you know, guys, a secret. There's an underwear out there called Exficio. These underwear are amazing, guys. When I tell you, you can hand wash in the sink and rewear and rewear and rewear, and they don't smell. Ficios,
Yes.
the official travel underwear for men. But I will say women, they got theirs too, but I couldn't convince her.
They got them for women, but I'm not gonna wear underwear for 7 days.
Ficios, guys, look them up. Your wife will be happy.
Yes.
No smelly underwear.
Well, first of all, I lay out everything that I think I'm going to take. On the floor, I match my outfits together, and then I put them in the bag and see how they best fit. And I would do that 2 or 3 times. This last time we went to Europe, I knew I had to pack boots because it was going to be cold and rainy. So I had to see how those boots would fit in here. Several ways I would lay them out. For me, I have to pack and repack a couple of times and find out which is the best way. Roll them or leave them flat. Sometimes I do rolling, and then on the top layer is flat. And you find many zippers here, a backpack that can hold a lot of little utility things on the outside of it. Make sure that it has support in the shoulder area, support that goes around your waist.
And the waist.
So it takes the weight off of your back.
And then talk to them about maximizing space. She will tuck your underwear in the shoes. She will tuck t-shirts in the shoes.
Yes, all those little small things, they roll up into the shoes. I also, pockets that may be in like a pair of jeans or a jacket, put things inside of those. Always look to see if there's a laundry room, because really if you're gonna stay for an extended period of time, at the end of 4, maybe 5 days, because that's max you need to pack, find the laundry room, we wash them and start over again with your changing the outfits. And that's what we do. We take a little travel bag of laundry detergent. They have the little things, or you can take a pod, put them in a Ziploc bag. So those are things that we look for when we're traveling.
If you're packing internationally and you're going through those airports,
Oh, wow.
tell them about the little speed.
So if you're going international, you have to have a Ziploc bag, like a quarter Ziploc bag. And that's all you can carry for each person. So you put your little travel size things in there. You can take nothing more than 3.4 ounces. That's liquid. And they make you take those things out and lay them out before you can go through the belt where they check everything.
Security.
So security. So if you don't want to do that, like I say, when you get to the place that you're going, if they have local supermarkets, then you can purchase those things there. But otherwise, they're gonna make you put them in the trash.
And they're really serious about that
Very
internationally.
serious.
They don't play in those international airports. And that bag must seal. You can't just have them stuffed and then the bag won't close.
Yeah.
It does have to seal, so that's really important going through security internationally. I just gotta tell y'all, this woman searched for 3 to 3.5 months for the perfect bag. Oh no, we can't just go to Walmart. We ain't just going to Kmart. No, she had to find this bag. This bag is amazing. This is all we had traveling all over Europe for months. This bag, I can't give you the name of it, but we'll have it in the little tab below. But it is an amazing bag. 2,200 zippers, Remind me of Batman's utility belt, if you will. But talk to him about backpacking. Talk to him.
So I have an analytical mind, so it's like a puzzle to me, and I find the best way the puzzle, everything is gonna fit together. You can't wait till the night before it's time to go and try to put them in there, because then you're just gonna get frustrated and things are not gonna fit. And only take things that you're going to really use.
Essential.
Not things that you think are gonna be like, I think I'm gonna use this.
I need to look cute on this trip. No, you don't. No, you don't. It's about the experience, not your cuteness.
And last thing, take an extra fold-up backpack with you. One that'll fit inside of these little zipper pockets. And then once you get there, you can put things in that backpack and travel with that when you're doing just small little adventures for the day. And you don't have to carry this with you when you're going out.
And if you know you're a person that buys things when you get there, if you're a shopper, then you got to prepare for that as well. Have that extra bag. That's why Southwest get the carry bags free.